Desktop, laptop, and handheld computers and smartphones have become an integral part of our lives. When they work and do what we want, they're wonderful. But when they quit working, need an upgrade, become infected with a virus, or we just can't figure out how to get them to work the way we want, it can be overwhelming. We have your solution. We are your expert computer repair and service company that will solve your problems quickly. We offer computer repair, virus removal, software and hardware upgrades, network setup or troubleshooting, laptop and desktop sales, comprehensive diagnostics, data recovery, and much more. When you need someone who can get you up and running quickly, call us. We will be there.